Hello, in this video we are going to see how to properly uninstall Mantra MFS 100 biometric device. You need to uninstall it properly because in case you need to install it again, you don't want to face any issues or problems regarding the installation or the functioning of the device. In Windows 10 you have two options. You can either go to the settings app using the apps and features windows, and in another version of Windows you can use the control panel in which you have uninstall a program or uninstall a program of feature. Here in apps and features, from the list you need to search for any drivers or softwares related to Mantra or MFS. So scrolling down, we can see here Mantra registered device service, Mantra client service and Mantra driver version. In all the three programs you have this uninstall button available. If you click on those, you will be directed to the uninstall setup. Another way is to go to the installation directory, that is the default directory of the Mantra device. Usually it is in local disk C, program files, Mantra, in Mantra, MFS 100 contains driver and client service. In all those three, you have this uninstall application available in the bottom part of the installation files. You can choose to uninstall any of them in any given sequence, but I will start by uninstalling the RD service. So double clicking the uninstall application in the RD service folder, it will open the uninstallation window. So clicking upon yes, the uninstallation will start. So the Mantra registered device service has been successfully uninstalled. Now moving ahead with the second thing, that is the driver. So again going into program files, Mantra, MFS 100 and driver. Here double clicking on the uninstall file, that is the application. Again uninstall window is opening and clicking upon yes, uninstallation has started. So it has successfully removed driver from your computer. Now only client service remains. So repeating the same procedure. Program files, Mantra, MFS 100, client service, and moving downwards, uninstall. Yes. These things may take some time depending upon the processing speed of your computer. So yes, this has been removed also. Now just to make sure if any remaining empty file or folders are still present there, as you can see we have a Mantra folder here which is empty, so we can directly delete it because it is of no use. Okay, so now we can see that there are no Mantra folders in these program files, nor there are any Mantra folders in the program files x86. Again going to the settings menu in the apps and features function to see if any remaining programs or drivers are listed there. Scrolling down and searching for the same in the list given here. we cannot see any Mantra MFS program listed here. So just to make sure, we will use the search function given above and type in Mantra to see if we have missed any program or drivers. So as now we are pretty sure that no programs are remaining to be uninstalled, and like I recommend in every uninstallation and installation videos, I will recommend you to use any cleaner, uninstall any remaining files or programs as well as registries. You can see these functions here. So I will click upon analyze. It will analyze any missing files. These files are present in different subfolders which are used by the programs to function properly. But once the programs are uninstalled, there are chances that these files are still remaining in those folders. So this type of cleaners are used to clean those files. It automatically detects which are the files that are not being or will be required in the future. So when I click on run cleaner, it will start deleting these files, and after that we will check for any missing or incomplete registries. So we'll scan for issues here. You see, this type of simple steps can sometimes avoid issues in future installations. So I recommend it in every video to use such functions because these softwares are very light and they don't require much space on a hard disk, but still can give you some excellent results. So here you can see that you have some files, some registries from the Mantra and MFS 100 folders. So I will fix all those registries, that is almost deleting these files. You can choose to backup these files or registries before deleting them. So yes, now we have completed the installation. You can restart the system for the same. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel.